Exercise 6C. See the question number 4. A car covers a distance of 400 km at a certain speed. Had the speed been 12 km per hour more, the time taken for the journey would have been 1 hour 40 minutes less. Find the original speed of the car. Okay. Now, let the original speed of a car be x kilometer per hour. Okay. Distance 400 kilometer. What will be the time? Time is equal to distance upon speed. That means 400 upon x r. Okay, 400 upon x r. Now, in the second, what happened? The speed of the car is increased by 12 km per hour. So, new speed x plus 12 km per hour. Distance same 400 km. Time 400 upon x plus 12 r. Now, what is the conditions given in the question? The time taken by the first case is more than the second one. Okay, how much more? 1 hour 40 minutes. So, you will write T1 minus T2 is equal to 1 hour 40 minutes. Now, convert this 1 hour 40 minutes into hours. That you will get 5 upon 3 hours. Okay. Now, write what is T1? 400 upon x. What is T2? 400 upon x plus 12. So, 400 upon x minus 400 upon x plus 12 is equal to 1 hour 40 minutes. And you know 1 hour 40 minutes is equal to 5 upon 3 hours. Now, take LCM and cross multiple. You will get the quadratic equation. What is that? X square plus 12x minus 2880. Okay, is equal to 0. Now, 60 into 48, you will get 2880. 60 minus 48, you will get 12x. So, take x square plus 60x minus 48x minus 2880 is equal to 0. Now group it. In this x common, x into x plus 60 minus 48 x plus 60 is equal to 0. Now we will write x plus 60 and x minus 48 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 60 and 48. Leave the negative one. Take the positive. What is the x? 48 km per hour. Answer. Original speed of the car is 48 km per hour. Original speed of a car is 48 km per hour. Clear? Now, question number 5. What is given in the question number 5? The total distance covered is 12 km. So, right, distance to be covered is 12 km. And this 12 km is divided into two equal halves. First half 6 km, second half 6 km. The speed taken to cover the 6 km. The first case, it is x km per hour. And in the second, x plus 2 km per hour. First, it is x km per hour. And in second, x plus 2 km per hour. Now you know distance, you know speed. What is the time? Distance upon speed. That is 6 upon xr. Keep it this one as t1, 6 upon xr. And t2, 6 upon x plus 2r. Okay, 6 upon x plus 2r. Now, according to the question, what is given? The total distance 12 kilometer is covered in 2.5 hours. Okay, total distance is covered in 2.5 hours. That means T1 plus T2 is equal to total time. T1 plus T2 is equal to total time. That is 6 upon x plus 6 upon x plus 2 is equal to 2.5 hours. Okay. Now take the LCM and cross multiple. Okay. You will get the quadratic equation. That is 5x squared minus 14x minus 24 is equal to 0. Now 5 into 24, 120 you will get. So here minus 14. So you will take 20 into 6, you will get 120, and 20 minus 6, you will get 14. So 5x squared minus 20x plus 6x minus 24 is equal to 0. Now in this 5x common and x minus 4 in the bracket. Plus here 6 common, x minus 4 in the bracket is equal to 0. Then you will get 5x plus 6 and x minus 4. Now what is the x value? Minus 6 upon 5 or 4. Leave the negative one, take the positive. Therefore x is equal to 4 km per hour. They ask you to find the x value. What is this x? 4 km per hour. Question number 6. In this question, the distance given and x is not the speed, it is time. We have to take x as a time. Okay. What is given in the question? That we have to take it. So, here the distance given 390 kilometer and the time taken is xr. If the speed has been 4 kilometer per hour more, it would have taken 2 hours less for the journey. Okay. So here, what is the distance given? In the question number 6, distance given 390 kilometer. And then what is the time given? X hours. You know distance, you know time. Can you get the speed? Distance upon time, that is 390 upon x kilometer per hour. Clear? In the second case, distance 390 kilometer and then time. What is given? What is the difference between the time? 2 hours less. So, here x hours means here x minus 2 hours. Okay. So, time is x minus 2 hours. And speed, you know, 390 upon x minus 2 kilometer per hour. Clear? Now, according to the question, conditions, what is that given? The speed of the second one 4 kilometer more than the first one. The speed of the second one is 4 kilometer per hour. Okay, is more than the first one. So you write 390 upon x minus 2. Second one speed, you know, that is equal to 390 upon x plus 4 kilometer per hour. Okay. Now take the LCM and cross multiple. You will get the quadratic equation. What is that quadratic equation? 4x squared minus 8x minus 780 is equal to 0. So can we take 4 common? Then you will get x squared minus 2x minus 195 is equal to 0. So quadratic equation is x squared minus 2x minus 195 is equal to 0. Now this 195, 15 into 13, you will get 195. And 15 minus 13, you will get 2. Now see, x square minus 15x plus 13x minus 195 is equal to 0. Then x into x minus 15 plus 13 into x minus 15 is equal to 0. So x minus 15, x plus 13 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 15 or minus 13. Leave the negative one. Okay. Take the positive. That is, x is equal to 15 hours. Okay. X is equal to 15 hours. See the question 7. A goods train leaves a station at 6 p.m. followed by the express train which leaves at 8 p.m. and travels 20 km per hour faster than the goods train. The express train arrives at the station 1040 km away, 36 minutes before the goods train. Assuming that the speed of both the trains remains constant between the two stations, calculate their speeds. Okay. Now, this is given in the question. What is the starting time of a goods train? 6 p.m. And the passenger train? 8 p.m. So what is the difference in their time? 2 hours. 8 minus 6, 2 hours. Okay. And then this passenger train reached the place before the goods train. How much before? 36 minutes. So before 2 hours and now 36 minutes. So total difference between goods and the passenger train is 2 hours 36 minutes. So what is given? Starting time for a goods and the passenger train 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. Okay, 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. Difference in time 8 minus 6, 2 hours. Okay, between these two trains, what is the difference in their time? 2 hours. Next, the passenger train reached station before 36 minutes when compared to the goods train. Okay, passenger train reached the place before 36 minutes when compared to the goods train. So what is the total difference in time? Here 2 hours and here 36 minutes. So 2 hours 36 minutes. What is the total difference in time? 2 hours 36 minutes. Convert this 2 hours 36 minutes into hours. You will get 13 upon 5 hours. Okay, 13 upon 5 hours. Now, it is goods train and this one is passengers. Okay, what is the distance? 1040 kilometer. What is the distance taken? 1040 kilometer. Speed of the train? X kilometer per hour. So what is the time? Distance upon speed. So 1040 upon X hour. Okay. So passengers one, distance same, 1040 kilometer. And the speed, X plus 20 kilometer. Time, 1040 upon X plus 20 hours. Okay. Now, passenger train takes less time when compared to the goods one. So, T1 minus T2 is equal to, how much difference between these two? 2 hours 36 minutes, no? That we have changed. That is 13 upon 5 hours. You will write 13 upon 5. Okay, T1 minus T2 is equal to 13 upon 5. Now take 1040 upon x minus 1040 upon x plus 20 is equal to 13 upon 5. Now take the LCM and cross multiple. You will get the quadratic equation. What is that? X squared plus 20x minus 8000 is equal to 0. Now 8,000. 100 into 80. 8,000 you will get. 100 minus 80. 20 you will get. So x squared plus 100x minus 80x minus 8,000 is equal to 0. Now take the common x. Bracket x plus 100. Same way 80 common, x plus 100 in the bracket. So you will write x into x plus 100 minus 80 into x plus 100 is equal to 0. Now x minus 80 into x plus 100 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 100 or 80. Leave the negative one, take the positive. What is x? 80 km per hour. Then write original speed of the goods train, 80 km per hour. And the passenger train, 80 plus 20, 100 km per hour. Okay. So goods train 80 km per hour and passenger train 100 km per hour. Okay. Now see the question number 9. A trader bought an article for rupees X and sold it for rupees 52, thereby making a profit of X minus 10% on his whole. Calculate the cost price. So what is given here? The cost price of an article. Okay, cost price of an article is X rupees. The cost price of an article be X rupees. Selling price of an article is 52. What is the selling price of an article? 52. Profit percentage, that is X minus 10 percentage. Okay, X minus 10 percentage. And profit percentage is equal to profit upon cost price into 100. So, in the place of profit percentage, you will write X minus 10 is equal to profit upon X into 100. Now, cross multiple, you will get X squared minus 10X is equal to 5200 minus 100X. Now, you will get the quadratic equation, that is x squared plus 90x minus 5200 is equal to 0. Now we have to take 130 into 40, you will get 5200, and 130 minus 40, you will get 90. Okay, 130 into 40, 5200. And 130 minus 40, you will get 90. So, x squared plus 130x minus 40x minus 5200 is equal to 0. X common, x plus 130 minus 40 into x plus 130 is equal to 0. Now x plus 130 into x minus 40 is equal to 0. Then you will get x is equal to minus 130 or x is equal to 40. Leave the negative one and take the positive. What is the x? 40 rupees. Cost price is 40 rupees. Clear?